This is another floor by Peninsula Floating Floors. I've been waiting for this stuff for months. It's a new product. It's digitally printed. So there's 30 different boards. We've had our oak scanned, and the boards are so accurate. You can't tell the difference. I mean, I've laid laminates and oaks, and from a standing position, it's very difficult to tell the difference. So it's AC4, 12mm, 48 hours water resistant. It's just awesome. It's got special silicone down all the joints as well, and it just locks in so tight, and the base is HDF with resins. It's just an amazing product. This is the first install I've done. This is in Summers for Mark and Lisa, so they were kind of guinea pigs. So let's go and have a look. So there's a combination of carpets and vinyl. There's a little bit of undulation in the house, but we managed to sort that out. And Lisa chose an island with a small plinth, sort of kind of reinforced, so she wanted it to look like it was floating. So we stuck flooring on it, and it just came out beautifully. And once we'd done that, we decided, well, we've got to do the kickers as well. Never done it before. A lot of times I've faced kickers with new kickers, because obviously we've got the gap of 7mm all the way around. I just think this is a much better way. Whether it will work with other colours than white, I don't know, but it just came out so well. So yeah, Mark's given it all a clean up and staged it, which is beautiful. So there you have it. I'm actually going to put this project on my website with a before. It's just amazing, the difference. The pantry's going to be lined with plaster and skirted at a later date. Opens the house up. I think that was carpet, I think this was vinyl or cork. There's a right combination of different surfaces. So impressed with this stuff. They've scanned it and scanned in even the little fills. That's what really fools people. Just a little subtleties like that. I've not seen that on any laminate before. This is just the future. For me, of flooring, I can't see why I'd ever put down an oak floor again. Nice transitions. I'm not floating ever in one piece again. It's much better to transition under doors, just so you've not got one big piece kind of moving between seasons. The grain's just amazing. The feels, it's just clever. The little subtle feels of the knots. It was nice this was actually skirted, so we undercut that. Came out much better. The skirts kind of just cut off at an angle, so I didn't really meet. Mark's corked and filled all the skirts, so he's done a really nice job. So there we go, it's just before they put all their furniture in, so you get a real good look at the floor. Right, that's enough of me rambling on. It's just amazing. I can't see why. I mean, I love Cronus with Aquastop, but I can't see me using it much once we grab this stuff. I think it's going to be 14 different colours. We've got black butts and spotted gums. Those kickers just look superb. Okay, that's enough of that. Thanks for watching. Smash a like on the video if you like it, and if you didn't, don't do anything. Cheers.